Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed morning, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno ear device, Uno no say one and only Atafa the Press. Well. I hope you guys are doing well in the morning, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to kick it off like this because Uno know some me always have the attack claps over here, so. So, a 23-year-old alleged gangster charged over murders, arson, and beheading in Gregory Park. A raft of charges, including murder, shooting, and assault, have been laid against an alleged 23-year-old. You hear that there? The man just a 23, a young boy, this, 23-year-old. Them kind of sit there, and he's only 23 years old. Anyway, the 23-year-old gangster, who the police say has been linked to cases of gang-related homicides, shootings, arson, and beheading in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. My wisdom warriors, when I see this, I did have to run count telling you this, because when I look at the age, 23-year-old, a young boy, young boy, yeah man, having life ahead of him, Yes, man can do better in a life, but I don't know what happened. What is the reason why him get himself in these kind of things? You understand? It is very sad to see a 23-year-old boy now, him go a prison and stay a prison. We not even know if him go get life, but him go stay a prison for the rest of his life. For what? For doing things. Murder and all these things. You know what? I don't know what happened to these young youths, but you notice in the news, a lot of young youths, them are the one at the crime. You notice a lot of the younger youths, them, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, at them, I do the crime, my wisdom warriors. At them, I do the crime. For whatever reason, I do not know. And from you do the crime, you have to do the time. You have to do the time. Yo, youths, you cannot go around and kill off on one another. You hear me? You cannot go around and hurt people, brother. There's other things in life you can do. Because when you take up this gangstership on a brain, brother, a two place you go. It's either you go prison, brother, or it's either you go underneath the ground. You understand me? So guess what now? Book. You know hear what Bunty say? Bunty say book. You pressure, book. You understand me? And that is the key. And that you know to think about. And when I want the government them to do, I want them to do activities. Start back with that. In the community, bring up back the activities. Other day, Babsy Grange get 31 million for vulnerable youths in the community and to do activities. You understand? So I don't know what she do with that the money. Then one at the time here she come out and say, oh, she's going to set up these activities. I hear nothing again. Can't know what them already, Then come out and say, well, we're going to do this. Then the whole of the media, them have it all over. And then everybody thinks, them actually start do it. When them not start do it, it's just a hype. So I want the government to start doing activities back in the community. Make a place get nice again. You understand me? Make the place get nice again. It pity them, they need things to do. They not have nothing to do. You understand? Make the activities then go on again how they used to go on. Come on, man. Do something for the youths them. Because guess what? The youths, they don't have nothing to do, And through the youths, they don't have nothing to do. And youths, they want money. Or they just a idle. Then start to kill people for no reason at all. You get me? And them has something wrong. And I want these things to stop. And my message to the youth them, brother, guess what now? I don't want to now go out and kill off one another. We need to stop them foolishness there. Life not sell a shop. You understand me? Because I'm sure no say uno we go out and I kill people. Me sure no say uno no want nobody come hurt, come kill uno. You understand? So what uno no want somebody do to uno, don't do to others. Don't do to others, brother. I want to know if you come together and unite. Unite more. Unity is the way. Unity is the way. And everything should start from the government. If the government start back centers them in the community, you know, the activities them in the community, I reckon the place will be nice again. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. You not agree with me, you know. This is just my opinion. Yeah? But you tell me what you think. I would like to hear from you on this. Anyway, hear this. A St. James man allegedly found transporting illegal Haitian immigrants has been charged with breaches of the Aliens Act. The Aliens Act passed in 1946 and last amended in 1988 imposes restrictions on the landing of aliens or foreigners and provides for their supervision and deportation. The man is 33-year-old Christopher Piggott, otherwise called Boise. Hey, Boise, they ever get trouble, you know? Blows and skirt. My wisdom warrior, seriously. What I have to say about this? Sometimes I have to just giggle to myself, you know, when I hear the name Boise. Eh? No, man, the Boise, they always give themselves trouble. Anyway, he's a laborer of Mount Pella district in St. James. So my wisdom warrior, what I have to say about this? Because a St. James man is reportedly found transporting Haitians. So, I will make a boss do that. I help him, I help them. What is really going on? What is behind this? Because I don't know. For some reason, my mind tell me say something is developing behind all this transportation. I do not know. But Boise, you're in a big trouble, Boise. So you gotta get yourself in, huh? I don't know if you help them genuinely or what. But Boise, you find yourself in a one sticky position because right now, see it there? You got underneath the Aliens Act right there. So sorry for you, but me can't help you. But seriously, on a serious note, Boise, you're not easy, you know? Seriously, you're not easy. This is why I'm wondering, are you helping them, transporting them genuinely or what? What is developing behind this? I would like anybody know nothing about this. You can let me know. You can put it in the comment section and let me know what go on. Or you can follow me on my TikTok and my IG. And you can send me a message over there. Send me videos over there. Alright? I will accept it for the time being until me give another WhatsApp number. Me is a girl now. I work by my spirit. You understand? So I'm going to give out the WhatsApp number. I've been saying this for I think it's over a month now, but very soon I will be giving out this number. All right, my wisdom warriors. But for now, if you don't have any message, you don't want to send me any message, anything, you just follow me on TikTok and on Instagram and just DM me. Like, come on, send me a text. A lot of people has been reaching out to me. A lot of people find me over there. But for anybody who have any information, you can go and link me on this man and tell the WhatsApp number. You know, rolling. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, it's just a sad time right now for Boise. I don't know how it go. Boise go just give one bag of trouble. I do not know what is going on. In a sister right now, Jamaica not depend that. Jamaican they know want Haitians in their country to me see it. And them are the first one jump up and talk, so them are go help. You get me? But if them are go through a situation in their country, remember, you know, we are all one. We are all black people, you get me? And you know, other day they have the tornado over there, so you know a lot of people not feel safe in that country anymore, so them are gonna try go somewhere, you know, them are gonna try, you know, them are gonna try flee. But me not feel so the government for turn them back. No, me not think so the government for turn them back. But me did read over here the other day, me did tell you know about a case, what is happening, how them a treat them bad, them a abuse them in the detention in Jamaica. Yes, me did read it out, and friend come out in the paper, you know, say it goes so, and they need to stop this. They need to put a stop into that. You can't do that. people them already are go through stress already, and the people them are flee, and then uno say one turn around and abuse the people. But uno not easy. As enough people in enough people in a prison are abused, you know. Enough time the warden them and police them and abuse people in the prison. The worst if they not have no visitor. The worst if nobody not call and check up on them. A real thing, my wisdom warriors. But don't tell me what to think about this. So the government run out again. The one Nigel Clark, a long time he not see film picture and film name a circulate in a social media. So him decide now to stand up in a parliament and tell pure lie again. Because when him say, when me about to tell you now, him say it that day, he say it about 3 times already. And then the people then come out and say, we not get no money. My wisdom warriors. So no, say Nigel Clark and Andrew Holness. Because them are the government, you know. Nigel Clark, Andrew Holness, Horace Chang, Christopher Tufton and Juliet Holness. And them are the government. Them run things. So the government has settled negotiations on overtime and other key issues dealing with public sector compensation according to the article. I get this from Nationwide, yeah? Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says circulars outlining the terms of the new arrangements will be dispatched shortly. Dr. Clark says the new policy will resolve the inequities of overtime versus duty allowance and create a unified framework under the new heading Extra Work. So my wisdom warriors know how much time Nigel Clark come out to the lie itself and say how everything is settled between public sectors and overtime pay. So them settle everything. How much time? Pure lie they come out and tell. Pure lie. They come out and keep, and distract the people and tell the people them lie. Una go get next 2 months. Una all know. And from last year, they must say this. From last year, they must say this year. And all know people they can't get nothing. The nurses, they come out and talk. The teacher, them come out and talk. Then say, we don't receive no money. I want to get that from. We don't receive no money. And they come, let me tell you, they tell a lot of lie. Nigel Clark and Andrew Holness, enough to stop it. You see, and guess what? You have a labor right them on them platform, I share it. And the thing is, this is what is distracting the people of Jamaica, the lies. Because when they come out and say that, you actually believe that they're doing it. Just like how Andrew Holness come out now and say, how much billion, over 24 billion right now is going to go to the Western Jamaica. Listen, me have to see that happen. Because Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark come out and say a lot of things, but nothing has been done. My wisdom warriors. So when them come out and say them a do this, don't get too excited, because seeing is believing. You hear me? Seeing is believing. And you can't trust the government of Jamaica, because all they do, they come out and lie, and they make a lot of promises. So when me hear Andrew Holness come out and I say all these things, and listen, when I see them start do it, then believe. Because they always come and lie, always come and hype. Me tell you all the time. They always come out and hype. All the time they come out and tell lie, but they not do nothing. Look how me show the other day with Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness come out other day and say, I hear the cry of the people. I hear the cry of the people in the grill. Yeah, and we're going to do something about it. From when he hear the cry. From when him hear the cry, after election, after local election, people they not have water. People they never have water before, but it get worse after election. Everywhere, pipe lock off. Yeah, no water. Just after local government election, so peer problem with water. And then they give who they want to give water and tank. I think say you can't trick way. Andrew Holness. So when you come out at about 24 billion, that's still not gonna change the people their mind, because the people them have to spend how much money for water where the Jamaican people not have. Jamaican people not have that. You understand? Una should even have a water truck park up at every crossroad in the community and tell the people them say, come fill up on a water jug, come fill up on a tank. And that una should do. Una should have, if una no want to go around house to house, una should have a tank in the crossroad them at every community and tell the people them say come full up on a jug so on a tank can full. Yes, that one should handle. But you not care. You not care. You just come out and hype every single day. But nobody things say when you come out and talk about a 24 billion water or work where you have to do and it will take 3 to 6 weeks. Nobody no believe that rubbish. Nothing not take 3 to 6 weeks. The last time I checked, Matthew Samuda say have up to 5 years that I go take. From Montego Bay to Negril, up to 5 years. I hear Matthew Samuda say that out I'm out. So I was shocked when Andrew come talk about 3 to 6 weeks. Gonna stay there make Andrew trick or no. I know say me I come back 6 week time. Me just give them. Me just make it 3 week blow off. Me I come back 6 week time. Uno know me, you know. Me I come back, can show him up over here, so too bright and out of order. They think so they can fool people. Uno think so they can fool people. But over time, everything second. Uno come out about 3 months ago, uno come out or 2 months ago. Uno said that 3 times, so uno circle public sectors, uno circle. And when the people they, if the people they never come out and ball out, we uno know. The people there is a circle where, Uno lie, you know, and you know to stop it, you know. But guess what? No matter how much billion you say you want fuck in and fuck out, we are going to vote you out. Yeah, we are going to vote you out because they like to make the people them suffer too much. We don't want no sufferation. My wisdom warriors, wanna give you no thoughts on this and tell me what you think. Opposition urges government to act after FSC loses control of SSL. I want to listen to this carefully, you know, because me I go into some things right now, you know, my wisdom warriors, which me telling about this government are just a waste of time and a joke government. All right. The parliamentary opposition has called for the government to urgently address the implications of Thursday's court ruling that ousted the FSC from its temporary management of SSL. In a statement Thursday afternoon, opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson said he is concerned that control of SSL has now been handed over to a private sector insolvency practitioner who was appointed by the same individuals who were managing SSL during the period of the alleged fraud racket. Uno tell me now if this makes sense. Uno hear what me just say a while ago? Uno hear what me just say a while ago? So wait there, let me stick a pin. Yeah? Let me just address something before me get into it. Who always talk about the PNP then and do nothing? Uno always come out and talk about PNP asleep and PNP and do nothing. See PNP come out and PNP and do something about it. Them a call, me tell you, so the PNP only can give advice to the government. They only can oppose. Me always tell you that Andrew Holness is in control. You understand? Andrew Holness, nothing wrong with this, you know. Because the whole of them are friggin' chopper. Them a scammer. They don't say nothing wrong with this. Only hear what the opposition spokesman on finance said, that is Julian Robinson. Only hear what he say? He say he is concerned that control of SSL has now been handed over. Listen, you know, the control of SSL has now been handed over to a private sector, you know, practitioner who was appointed by the same individuals who were managing SSL during the period of the alleged fraud racket. Them a type of company, them uno fi lock it down flat. Them a type, nobody no fi come, nobody no fi take over. Nobody no fi take over this friggin' appear. Uno no see what go on. Nobody, this FSC business. Why una go hand it over to somebody? Una go hand it over to somebody that is the same person that was managing SS. Why una go do all of that? Me not understand. Me tell you say, and the government not say nothing wrong with this, you know. This is why the opposition, Julian Robinson, have to come out and say he's very concerned. And we concerned too. We concerned because if we not go hand over this to a private sector, and the private sector was involved in the SSL, we manage it. You know what? My wisdom warriors, hey, people, listen. When you see this thing, you know what? Seriously, I just not understand it. I just don't understand the government. The government need to do something about this. The government need to do something about this. We need to put a stop into this. And we concerned too. We, the public concern, are also. We concerned because this are not right. This are not right. No, una go hand it over to somebody else. Listen, una fi just lock down every blouse and skirt thing and just write off that half of the market. Seriously. Or if una go hand over something, why una choose to hand it over to somebody that was the manager in a SSL? I don't get it. That manage the SSL. It doesn't make no sense to me. It doesn't make any sense to me. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me one thing here, man. Cause to me, this are just peer chopping right through. And they now gonna stop chop Jamaican people money. Remember, enough people not get back their money, you know. A lot of people not get back nothing. So to me, they now gonna stop chop the Jamaican people. You understand? Cause guess what? They can hand over this, put it under different name, different management, and still chop same way. You understand me? But tell me what you think about it. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I just want to take the time to, show my appreciation to everybody that has been supporting my channel, guys. I really respect Uno. Without Uno, I Uno reach so far. So I just want to say thank you to everyone, to all of my supporters. You have some people that reach out to me and they say they want to bless me up. Where's my PayPal? Where's my Cash App? And things like that. So very soon I will be putting that in the comment section. And if you don't want to bless me up, you can bless me up. Sorry for everybody who have been asking me about my Cash App and PayPal. Me so release it for you. Alright? For the time being, you can send some super chat. If you wish to, you can use the super chat. I know not every country is allowed to use the super chat, something like that. But anyway, you can bless me up by, sending super chat, and also by being a member, become a member of my channel. You can, support me and join the membership team. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, bless upon a nice clean self. One love.